Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sonam, and today I was actually supposed to be working, but they gave me a holiday because they have extra stuff today. So I got lucky and I actually don't feel like going to work today also. And I'm off tomorrow, so yay! Now that I'm off, I haven't cooked lunch or dinner for a while, so my dad has already washed the Brussels sprouts and I guess he was planning to cook it. So today I decided to be the super sweet daughter that I am and cook dinner for my family. Let's just start it. I have already started cutting some of the Brussels sprouts, so let's just go ahead with it. I'm planning to stir fry it and make some dal, which is lentil, and some rice. Very simple, typical Tibetan dinner. Did that already. So I think now we should make some dal, some lentils. So the vegetable is done. Lentil is in process. I have to also cook the rice. So we recently bought this instant pot right here, which is like really talked about on Amazon, and it was pretty cheap, like $40 something, and it can make yogurt, it can do a lot of things. Soup, broth, meat, poultry, chicken. You can basically like cook in here. My dad did use this to make chicken curry, which turned out nice, and biryani. So it looks like this. Let me just wash it. Here we go. I guess 15 minutes. Yum! Let's eat! Sakay bonus. Bonus send. Thank God the vegetable is not overcooked. Somebody's here. Guess who?
The mother.
I was gonna show you the video that I made. We are gonna watch one of the videos that I edited. She's gonna be my critique, first critique.
She gotta go through me.
Throat.
वाटर का दल बना हुआ है वाटर का
Чуть-чуть дал. Чуть дал тис. I mean like pista di dura. Masanya ne baundi. Masanya ne kyun doe jurdi. Pomo yiyemez işte. I just got approved for the next video that's coming up, which will be before this video comes out, so yeah. And the critique is sleeping. I guess we're going to go out. I just took a shower and this girl is in the same exact position. Hold on. Hello, mic check. Check. We're out here finally outside. Daisy need to get some veggies for the house. Let's go. I thought you said vegetable. Veggies.
This is veggie sunflower seeds. It's natural value.
Bok choy. Mushrooms. Why?
Zozo. Mama. Baba.
Popo. Nie tak się. Got home like a couple hours ago. Just washed my face up, and as most of you guys know, I live in a semi-basement place, and it gets really cold during the winter time. And this evening the weather is like so cold outside, and when it's cold outside it's gonna be cold in the basement as well, and it's freezing. So I had to take out all these pajamas and sweater, and look at that. I swapped out some of the summer clothes with winter clothes. Not really winter clothes, but like fall sweaters. I guess it's almost time to change my wardrobe and my dresser. That's about it for today. It was a pretty chill day for me, and yeah, I am gonna go to bed now. It's like so late, and I'm in the habit of sleeping so late lately. It's 2 a.m. and yeah, I know it's so like embarrassing. I should sleep early and get up early, but it's so bad. Like it's so bad right now. And yeah, so alright guys, I'm gonna hop in the bed and get some good sleep. Until then, this is Sonam's life. Thank you all so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.